Hey all you wonderful people of the internet, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have here some flagstone. I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do today here. So we got this section here. We have two tread of step, and then we have up this platform there to do, and then we have over here. So we have two sections. We have over here as well to do. This is the big guy here that we're going to use today. That's the stone that we're going to use, and then this one is going to go over the steps. It's about 1 feet wide by around 6 feet long. And this is the guy that we're going to use to lay the stone today. It's a pre-mixed mortar type S. And over here you want to go with a bigger one over here. This is the one that's going to go on this bigger section. And again, you want to throw water first, then you add in the mortar mix, and don't forget the bonding glue as well, and the consistency that we want is peanut butter. Let's dive right into the video. So guys, first thing we want to do, we want to check our surface to see the fall, to make sure we have a fall here. If not, then you know how to lay your stone. So here we already have the fall on the concrete itself, so we can go with the level of the concrete, and it's gonna form our fall. This way it's level this way, but I want to have a fall going that way and one going this way, so that way we don't have no water back up nowhere here. So what we're trying to do here, guys, we're trying to get a square mark. So here what I did, I fill it with water and put a bit of bonding glue inside of it, and then I'm going to wet the surface. So this is the consistency that you want. You don't want it to be too soft, or you don't want it to be too stiff. See? So here is the higher point. You want to wet the back of your stone as well as you go. Clear beside the stone each time you lay. This will help to keep the stone clean. Once you bang down on it with guys, we want to wet our surface as we go. For the joint here, we're looking for like a 3/8 joint here. You want to run your level like this. Make sure all the stone are touching to the level. This way we have a straight. That's if you're doing this pattern that I'm doing. This pattern is gonna be. So this pattern that I'm doing, I believe it called the running band pattern. I'm not sure. But yeah, so the way to get the pattern, basically I start with a full
full stone, and then I cut the second row in half, and then I just continue, and then next one you put a full one, and the other one you put you cut one in half. As you see, I have it here, and it's pretty simple. You just basically want to rest your level right on top of the stone. In the corner one there, that's where I catch my slope, and from there on you just put your level, make sure all of it is touching onto the stone. That way you maintain the same slope that you have that you catch from the stone in the corner there.
client choose. So we have Thank you. See you in the next one.